Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to integrate the TinyMCE WYSIWYG rich text editor inside your Vue.js application, and we are using the latest version of Vue.js, which is 3. And you can see I can type any text right here, and we have all these rich controls which are available. We can format the text, we can embed images as well. So if you want to align this text, so all these rich controls are available. You can convert this into a heading, and then you can align it in the center position. So these rich text editors are very much helpful if you are writing some kind of a blog on your website. Then it's very much helpful. It's also available in WordPress as well. So you can select any text. Let's suppose I want to change it to bold here, or let's suppose I want to change it italic. You can even change the color as well. Simply select the text, and if you want to change the color, so it will have add this nice little green background color as well. Alignment, you can see all these directions: center, left, rights. You can select. If you want to add bullet points, you can even add bullet points as well, like this. So now let's suppose if you want to change it into number, you can change it into number as well. If you want to add checkboxes, you can just click this option. So if you want to indentation, decrease it, increase it, indentation, you can even control it as well. If you want to clear the formatting, if you want to add a table as well, so there is how many grid of table that you want to add. So this will add a table. You will able to add the data in a tabular structure. So all these controls are available in this rich WYSIWYG text editor, and you can even get the source code as well. So it will convert this into an HTML source code. You can simply copy this if you need this. Copy to clipboard button. You can even change the theme to dark mode as well. So light mode, dark mode, all these themes are supported. You can format your code as well. So if you need this HTML code, you can copy this, and you can save this as well. And one more thing, you can even embed images. So if you want to add images from a URL, so let's suppose I want to add a remote image, I can copy the link here, copy image address, and simply paste the image, and then I can align this image, provide a width and height, so it will add this image. So you can align it perfectly wherever you need to align this image. You can change the size as well by dragging. You can see the size of the image. So all these things you can perform in this rich text editor. The website is TinyMCE. If you just write it on Google, the very first link which appears, this is the most trusted feature-rich WYSIWYG text editor, and they do offer a free demo here. You will see you need to create an account here, and now to get your API key, you can integrate with React.js, Vue.js, Angular, all these front-end frameworks, and you need to get your API key. So once you create the account, you will get this option. So just copy this API key, and there is a module here which is specific to Vue.js. So if you go to npmjs.com and just search for this module, which is TinyMCE Vue. So if you just write this now on this, the very first package which comes is the official component for Vue 3 applications. So you just need to install this. I've already installed it. It's almost got 30,000 weekly downloads. So once you install it, I will show you the step-by-step example. So the very first thing you need to do, so inside our app view component, we will put a template here, template tag, and then in the script we are using TypeScript, and here we will be importing the editor by using the import statement. This is the module here. So we import this using a simple import statement, and secondly we export this component, and we will give it a name here, app, and then the components here, which will be this editor component that we imported, and then the data here. I have given all the source code in the description of this video, so if you need the full source code, you can go to the description. And this editor now, this takes an configuration object that you need to pass, and you need to specify the height of your editor. I will say 500. Menu bar, if you need the menu bar, you will put it to true, and then you need to provide the plugins. So the plugins which will appear in the WYSIWYG editor. So let's suppose I want the support to add images, then I also want the support to add link. So this will be an array, not an object. So just change it to an array here. So array of plugins you can add to your WYSIWYG editor. And then the fourth option is the toolbar. So what options that you need inside your toolbar? So I will say I need to add the support for adding images. Then we need also to see the live preview. So there is also this preview section. So here you provide multiple components separated by this symbol. So here we provided 2 components in the toolbar. So if you need to now see the actual WYSIWYG editor, you need to go to the template here and just embed this WYSIWYG editor. I will just give it an ID here, app here, to the div element, and then I will embed this editor by the editor tag. And here you need to specify your API key. You need to paste your API key. And then you need to provide this parameter which is init. Here you need to specify this editor configuration that we have specified, and then the initial value. You can even provide an initial value to the WYSIWYG editor. So we'll say that welcome to so just close it. So it takes 3 arguments: first your API key, then their configuration object, then the initial value. So as I haven't provided the API key, you will get an error if I run this application in the browser. You will see the editor will show up, but it is saying that a valid API key is required to continue using TinyMCE. So you need to paste your API key here. So simply copy this from your dashboard and simply paste it. So once you paste the API key, now you will see the editor will now function. This is your initial value, and you will get this watermark here built with TinyMCE. So we get this menu bar. You will see if you want to create a new document, and then we have all these options in the menu bar. You can cut, copy, paste. You can view this, and then you can insert an image as well. You can see that, a link as well. And if you want to format here, you will see all these controls will be there. You can change the font here. So now the font will be changed. So if you do need to add some more options in the toolbar, you specify inside the toolbar or the plugins section. So I will paste all the plugins right here. So I have given the link in the description of this video. So if you need the full source code, you can go to the description link. So in this way I will paste all the plugins. So once I paste all the plugins, you will see all the options will be there. And similarly, we need to also add all these options in the toolbar section as well. So this is your toolbar. So this is actually all the options. Now you see all the options appearing right here. You will able to add images, you will able to add tables, and you will able to add format your text here. You will see that you can change it to heading here, and you can see that. So now it's a full example that I showed you how to integrate TinyMCE WYSIWYG rich text editor. So thank you very much for watching this video, and do check out my website as well, freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video and image. And I will be seeing you guys in the next video.